If you frequently offer jobs that involve lots of different services, there's a super easy way to be able to recreate that same exact job with all of those different services without having to keep creating it over and over and over again. And this is with our duplicating and swapping functionality that we have built in here. So first, over in this quotes panel, you can see that up at the top, I've created this sort of generic template job. So I just used a test customer. This isn't a real customer. Test vehicle. This isn't a real vehicle. But I do have the actual services in here. So this is something in this example here that I would be offering very frequently to other customers as maybe just like a full service job. It has a bunch of different things in it, and this is something that people would purchase from me. So I don't want to keep recreating it with all of these individual line items. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to use this as a template job, and I'm simply going to come up and hit the three dots up in the top right corner, and I'm going to duplicate this. So now I'm taking this same exact structure of this job, all of these line items, I'm duplicating it, and now I'm just going to swap in the appropriate customer and vehicle based on who I'm now going to be selling this to. So I'm going to hit the three dots, hit swap, this is next to the customer. I'm going to swap in the actual customer that I'm going to use for this, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the vehicle. I'm going to swap out that vehicle that was associated with the test customer, and now I'm going to pull in the vehicle that I'm actually doing for this customer. And now I save that, and I just recreated that same exact super complicated job with a new customer now, just using the duplicate and swap feature. Now I can go to this one. You'll see that I have this new customer, new vehicle in here, but same exact services in here. If you guys have any questions on duplicating and swapping, please feel free to reach out anytime.